Good morning, guys. Today we are going near Shravani, your daily life coach. Today she will explain you all her fourth series of her book. Hey Shravani, good morning.
Good morning, dear.
Can you please explain my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram friends for your fourth series of your book?
Definitely. Dear friends, are you also interested to know?
My friends are always interested and they are always waiting for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Now, let us go through the chapter 4 of my book, How I Claimed My New Life, Easy Hacks Towards Better Living and Better Health and Fulfilled Living. So here, I actually explained in the last series in chapter 3 that how I went through lots of anxiety and stress after got diagnosed with cancer, and I stressed on why anybody can suffer with cancer or any such kind of detrimental disease or any kind of disease. So then, as a life coach, though I was finding solace in my work, then I started integrating through literature and internet why anybody can suffer from any such kind of disease, even if they have no detrimental habits, even if they are physically fit and active and they have no family history of such kind of disease. Then when I went through all such research, I found that we human beings have 4 happy hormones. Those are oxytocin, endorphin, serotonin and dopamine. These hormones helps us to repair our body and heal our body. In the same manner, we have 2 detrimental hormones, that is called stress hormone. Those are cortisol and adrenaline. Yes. So these 2 hormones actually gives us that alertness of danger. Whenever we are facing any kind of danger or stress, these 2 hormones activate in our body, and at that time all our repairing work got stopped, and at that time our body remains in the alertness so that it can deal with the stressful environment or situation. So whenever we think that stress is normal in today's world, actually stress is not normal. Remaining peaceful state of mind is normal. Whenever we are facing any such kind of stress, it is our duty to consciously come back to our natural
Can you please
state of mind.
explain my friends and me by showing your book?
Yes, you can see here. So what I found, this is the chapter name, Body and Mind Connection I found. Then I actually researched through. Here I found that many people, mostly we all of us, are going through lots of stressful situations. Somebody may feel that their body is not working, somebody feel that relationship is not working, somebody feel that their finance is not working, or something they want in their life but that is not working out for them.
Means they are not achieving that.
Yes. So they feel stressful, resentful, guilt, fear, all such kind of emotions. There are lots of emotions we are going through.
Like sad, happy, peaceful, that.
Yes. Peacefulness is good. Other than that, all those stress feeling
I
actually
think
impact our
anger
body.
is also going in
Yes,
stress.
anger is also very impactful to get our disease in
Is
our
it
body.
going in the state of stress?
Yes, anger is also a like of stress that we are going in our body. So all
So
this.
that how can we control our angerness towards someone or something?
Yes, those things I will explain in the remaining chapter, but here I have only explained that how these stress hormones are impacting our body, like those physical, like our thought, emotions, and how we are responding to a situation that varies from human to human beings. Somebody whenever is going through any kind of stressful situation may be recovering within one day or few hours, and somebody may take weeks or months or years also.
I guess
Cancer is a reason where we are staying in a bitterness and resentful state of mind, where we are feeling hurt and we are overplaying that state of mind in our mind. Time to time we are overthinking about that only. So that causes that tumor first, because see, if something is not going properly, like a knot in the thread, so it causes like a tumor in our body also.
Do you feel fear during your cancer life?
Initially, I was feeling fearful, but after studying the reasons, I understood that it is very essential to come back to my natural state of mind, peaceful state of mind, so that my body can heal itself, my body can repair itself. Because see, I will give you one example. If your house is burning, will you be thinking to arrange and beautify your house, or
No,
will be
first we will thought that how can we remove the fire or
yes, you'll be first trying to how to save your house, how I can save my house first. After that, I'll think about rearranging my house or beautifying my house. In the same manner, if your body is going through stress, all your hormones are working only to pacify your mindset, so that it will come to the natural state of mind, and that time all your repairing and healing work gets stopped. Because of that, what happens, your immunity gets down, and where there is low immunity, your body is easily susceptible to any kind of disease or illness. So friends, did you understood how our mindset impacts our body?
Yes, I'm impressed by your words, valuable words.
Thank you so much, dear friends. So it is now our duty to keep our mind peaceful in the peaceful state of mind. And if you are feeling mostly stressful, then definitely your immunity is going down. So it is our duty to remain in the peaceful state of mind. It is
Okay.
not normal to stay in stressed. So friends, what you are feeling today? Let me know in the comment box. Bye.
Okay guys, if you are feeling stressed, then you please give a sad emoji in the comment box, or if you are feeling peaceful, you can give a peaceful smile in the comment box.
Yes, thank you so much. Please give me an emoji and let me know what you are feeling today. And if you are liking this series, then like, share and subscribe. Let me know your views or queries, if any, in the comment box. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.